Introduce yourself.
My name's Bernard Stein. I'm a fifth-year computer engineer major at Cal Poly Pomona.
And what did you do on this project?
On this project, during the first semester, I designed the main support structure body for the rail cannon. During the second semester, I took over as lead, scheduling meetings, purchasing materials, and compiling research for final submission.
And what did you learn while doing this project?
One thing I learned during this project is the difference between the roles of an engineer and a manager and the interaction between the two in a professional project.
Introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Matthew West. I'm a seventh year, and I've been in charge of the power supply and safety testing.
What did you do for this project?
So I did a lot of the research behind how to power it, and I put together the capacitor bank for our power supply, and we'll be in charge of implementing the safety measures to make sure that we can test safely.
What's something you learned during this project?
I learned a lot about the proper and safe usage of high capacity, high voltage capacitors, as well as how to handle fabrication equipment safely.
Hello everyone, my name is Zachary Herr. I'm a fourth year computer engineering student at Cal Poly Pomona.
Tell us what you did on this project.
I worked on the telemetry portion of the project for the drone cannon.
What did you apply from classes from Pomona?
In Cal Poly curriculum, we learn about embedded systems, and I used the knowledge in those courses to learn how to make a robust telemetry system for the cannon.
What's something new you learned while doing this project?
So for the microcontroller for the cannon, we use something called STM32, which is a new microcontroller architecture that we learned just for this project. That's very much used in industry and is very much different than the microcontrollers we used in our curriculum.
Introduce yourself.
Hello, my name is Noah Boganegra. I am a fifth year. My major is electrical engineering.
And what did you do on this project?
I took over the modeling portion. We had a Tinkercad model of the cannon that I ported over to SolidWorks since I have some experience. And I modeled the specific parts that we needed, such as like brakes and like bus bar holders and things of that nature. And I made prototypes by 3D printing for this project.
And what did you learn while doing this project?
I joined this semester, so there was a lot to catch up on. I learned mainly more about SolidWorks and how to more effectively model parts, but I also spent a lot of time reading resources and documentation of the project in order to get a better understanding of the overall concepts of the project and everything that the other members were working on.
Nope. Bye-bye. Hopefully not.